Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your lost Bluetooth headphone or earbuds. So if you are having a difficulty to find your earbuds or your Bluetooth earbuds, this is what you are going to do. First, you can just open your phone and then open the Google Play Store or App Store. Then here you can just click on the search and then just search for this app. You can just find device that you can use that keyword, and then you can just scroll down, and here there are lots of Bluetooth device finder that you can use. For example, this one, find my Bluetooth device, or this one, find my phone, watch, or earbuds. So you can just choose which one. For example, here I'm going to just use this ones right here, find my Bluetooth device, and then you can just tap on install. Here just wait until the app is successfully installed. And now it's installing. Okay, so this app has been successfully installed. Let's just launch the app. You can tap on open. So this is the find device Bluetooth device app. Let's just wait until it's fully loaded. You can start a free trial if you want it, but let's go with basic first. We can close this. Okay, of course there's ad. So what you need to do is just scan. You can just tap on search your devices in here, and then enable your location, and here you can click on allow and allow to for the device to turn on your Bluetooth. So in here, if your Bluetooth is on, there will be shown in here, so the device will be shown in here, and also the distance with your phone. So you can just track it by moving around your phone until the distance get closer and closer, and then you'll find your lost device. Okay, you can see this is the device. For example, you can see this is the distance. You can find it. Okay, connection lost. Let's just go back. You can try again. Okay, 1 meter, like that. And when you found it, you can just tap on this button. You can almost touch it, so you can see you can just moving around until you find the device. And when you're done, you can just click on I found it, and it will be changed just like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.